Ay, wait lang. Side view, Judy ay. Mas gwapa ko basta naka-ana oh.
Next, ano gani yun?
Sa konsulta yun. Kinsa yung interview? Wala.
Peace be with you. I am Andrea May Kahilig of Station 1C, 10 years in service.
Peace be with you. I am Mirna Salazar, 30 years in service here in General Santos Doctors Hospital.
I'm Ciliato Ledesma. Everybody knows me as Nonoy, and I work here for 15 years.
I entered at GSDH in year 2014 and I was first assigned at 2C station. That time, ito yung pinaka-toxic na station dati. Pero thankful ako with my seniors that time because very smooth lang ang duty namin and very helpful naman din kasi sila.
I was hired at General Santos Doctors Hospital on November 1994. My first assignment was nursing aide at various stations and eventually transferred to information, emergency room, and at present, as staff at the eye center.
Well, my journey begins way back 2009 when my wife had a minor surgery here in the hospital. Medyo yung misis ko may pagkamarites, narinig niya na may hiring daw. That's the time na I applied on the following month. I was hired as a collector in September 9.
I stayed here for 30 years because I love my work and good work environment.
Kasi yung iba, hindi lang workmates. Yung iba, para na ding family. If you have this bond na na-create mo sa workmates mo, yung flow of work will be easy and yung parang kampante ka kasi nandyan sila. Ganon.
Hospital valued the patient's financial situation problem, and then the hospital is willing to give us some extension. So kaya kami pinupuntahan namin to settle the financial, not exactly na compromise namin yung financial health sa hospital.
Every year, nag-reshuffle, I was assigned in different stations. In every reshuffle, mayroong resistance. Kasi nga may bagong environment, bagong kasama, and even classification of patients. Constant kasi ang change, but with this change, we learn to grow.
Yung napuntahan ko yung isang pasyente na every month ko sana pinupuntahan for payment, and then sadly, yun na, wala na pala, nasa kabaong na siya. Medyo masakit yun kasi for a long time siya yung kinakausap ko every time na napupunta ako doon. Medyo may connection na din sa kanya, so yun. Nandoon yung empathy natin na ibigay.
I think nung during the DOH inspection, this is the time na kabado ang lahat ng nurses kasi nga yung inspector magbubukas ng patient's chart, magko-question sa assigned nurses. Sa station ko nga pumunta, binuksan nga ang chart and nag-ask sa akin regarding about patient status and patient's diagnosis. Sinagot ko naman and feeling ko parang napanalo ko yung GSDH that time kasi nga with my response will be a reflection also on how GSDH trained me.
During the COVID, natatakot ako kasi ako mismo ang first na nag-handle ako without knowing nga siya ay positive po. So after that nga nalaman namin nga siya kay wala pa tay vaccines ato, kulba na ako at umiyak ako. Kaya akala ko katapusan ko na. Ang every time na mag-uwi, ikaw lang, hindi mo kasama yung pamilya mo na nasa kabilang room. So I thank God because andito pa rin ako and continue serving the patient.
My advice for the newly employees, don't give up easily. Be strong, be kind, but not so soft-hearted because you will meet a lot of people, different kind of people. Don't be afraid na maka-experience na ma-toxic ka during duty because it will mold you to be a better one, to be a better nurse someday.
My advice to new employee is to master and love your work.
Staying here in this hospital is very, magbigat na responsibilidad din sa atin kasi patient yung hinaharap natin. Nandoon yung makakasalamuha kayo na iba't ibang ugali, lalo na mga may problema, stricto, ganun. Pero even though na ganun yun, try to think of it na after that day, meron kayong taong natulungan.
Progressive. General Santos Doctors Hospital, progress many-folds through the years.
Blessing because for 15 years, dito ako, nagtatrabaho ko dito at dito ko rin binubuhay yung pamilya ko.
Family, because we care for each other.
People na naging pasyente dito na gumaling, kaya matawag ko din na blessing din kasi dito sila na hospital sa Just Age.